share with you a script of a relaxation method called progressive muscle relaxation. This kind of relaxation has shown to be effective for people with chronic pain. We know that when we're feeling stressed and anxious that the body can tense up, and the opposite is also true, that we can deliberately relax the body. We can deliberately relax the mind by relaxing the body. And I'd like you just to pay attention to the sound of my voice and your body. Your mind may wander throughout the relaxation script, and that's okay, that's natural. But I'd like you as much as you can to just bring your attention back to the sound of my voice. In progressive muscle relaxation, each muscle group is tensed in turn, and any tension is then released. This relaxes the muscles and allows you to notice the contrast between the tension and relaxation. I would like you to tense each muscle group, as I will instruct shortly, but without straining. And if you have any pain or discomfort at any of the muscle groups, feel free to skip that part. Now I'd like us to begin. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, in a location where you will not be interrupted. You may wish to put your hands on your lap and close your eyes. And begin by allowing yourself to sink into the surface you're sitting on, be it a chair, be it a sofa, perhaps you're lying down. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into the surface, and allow your body to start to feel heavy. During the relaxation, you can move at any time if you need to, in order to feel more comfortable. I'd like you to allow your attention to focus only on your body and at the sound of my voice, even if there are other noises. Before we begin the actual muscle relaxation, I'd like us to start with some simple breathing. So I'd like you to focus your attention on your breath. Notice yourself breathing in and slowly out. It may help for you to say the word relax to yourself at each out-breath. Breathe in and then say relax to yourself as you breathe out. It might even help to imagine that you have a balloon in your stomach, and every time you breathe in, the balloon inflates, and each time you breathe out, the balloon deflates. Notice the sensation in your abdomen as the balloon inflates and deflates, your abdomen rising with the in-breath and falling with the out-breath. Take slow, calm breaths at whatever pace is comfortable for you. Feel your breathing becoming calm, slow, and easy. We will now begin the exercise, tensing and relaxing each part of your body in turn. I'd like you to focus your attention on your toes and your feet. As you breathe in, I want you to gradually curl your toes down and tense the muscles in the soles of your feet. Feel the tension in your foot. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now release. Notice the relief and how relaxed your foot feels. Now bring your awareness to your lower legs, your calf muscles. As you breathe in, point your toes up towards your knees and tighten these muscles. Hold the tension for just a moment and then let the muscles relax and go limp as you exhale. Do this once more. Draw in a deep breath and tighten the calf muscles. Hold for a few seconds and then let it go. Feel your muscles relax and feel the tension leaving your body with your out-breath. Now I want you to turn your attention to your upper leg, your thighs. As you take a breath in, tense the muscles here. Hold for just a moment and then release. As you release, you may notice a warm, tingling sensation. Enjoy this feeling of soothing relaxation in your thighs. Now I'd like you to bring your awareness to your stomach. Draw in a nice deep breath and tighten these muscles. Imagine you're trying to touch your belly button to your spine. Now release your breath and let your muscles relax. And again, notice the sensation of relief that comes from letting go of the tension. Now bring your awareness to the muscles in your back. As you slowly breathe in, arch your back slightly and just tighten these muscles. Now release your breath and let your muscles relax. I'd now like you to turn your attention to your shoulder muscles and the muscles in your neck. As you breathe in, pull your shoulders up towards your ears and squeeze these muscles firmly. Hold for a few seconds. Now breathe out completely and allow your muscles to go loose and limp. Feel the tension subside as you relax. Now pull your chin forward onto your chest and feel tightness and then relax. Again, noticing the relief. Now we're going to relax your arms. As you breathe in, raise your wrists towards your shoulders and tighten the muscles in the upper arm. Feel the tension throughout the arm. Hold that breath and contraction for a moment, then gently lower your arms and breathe all the way out. And then release, relax, notice the sensation of relief. Let the arm go on relaxing and relaxing a bit more. And imagine the last remnant of tension flowing out through your fingertips. Notice how the arm muscles feel when they are fully relaxed. I'd like you now to turn to the muscles in your face. Squeeze your eyes shut, clench your lips together, and as you do, breathe in, hold for a few seconds, and release. Breathe out and relax all of your facial muscles. Feel your face softening. And now your forehead. Pull your eyebrows together, then gradually let your forehead smooth out. You are now completely relaxed from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. I'd like you now to take note of any remaining areas of tension and release that tension. I want you to imagine that the tension in your body is flowing out from all the parts that we have relaxed. With each breath, you can feel the tension leaving right out of your fingertips and right out of your toes. Feel the tension leaving your body, draining away. Now that your body is relaxed, bring your attention back to your breathing. I want you to notice breathing in and slowly out, in and slowly breathe out, saying the word relax to yourself at each out breath. Breathe in and out, letting each breath occur naturally, without effort, at whatever pace is comfortable for you. I'm going to now count from 5 to 1 to bring yourself back into the room, back into whichever city or town that you're in, back to the sofa or chair that you're sitting on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes and bring yourself back into the room, keeping the feeling of relaxation with you.